let's find the perimeter and the area for a figure below. A rectangle with length 13.8 inches and width of 7.1 inches. We begin by drawing a rectangle. So in the rectangle we've drawn, let's label the sides 13.8 and 7.1 inches. The longer side we'll call the length is 13.8 inches, and the shorter side we'll call the width, which will be 7.1 inches. Using our formulas on the right for rectangle, the perimeter is twice the length plus twice the width, and the area is length times width. So let's write this down. Our perimeter, P, is equal to the formula 2L plus 2W. So let's plug L and W in and then compute our perimeter. So P equals 2 times 13.8 plus 2 times 7.1. In doing order of operations, we'll first multiply 2 times each one of those quantities and then add up our resulting answer. To multiply 2 times 13.8, we'll use long multiplication. So 13.8 multiplied by 2 means 2 times 8 is 16, carry the 1. 3 times 2 is 6, plus 1 is 7, and 2 times 1 is 2. Since we have one number behind the decimal point, we'll move the imaginary decimal point in the answer 1 unit to the left. So P equals 27.6 plus. Now for 7.1, 7.1 multiplied by 2, 2 times 1 is 2, 2 times 7 is 14. Since we have one number behind the decimal point, move one decimal point left to arrive at 14.2. Next, to add these two decimals up, let's add 27.6 plus 14.2 vertically. 6 plus 2 is 8. 7 plus 4 is 11, carry the 1, and 1 plus 2 is 3, plus 1 is 4. Carrying the decimal point down for addition, we get a total perimeter of 41.8. Since perimeter measures the length totally around the rectangle, this would be 41.8 inches. Next, let's find the area of a rectangle using the formula L times W, and to make room, we'll delete our computations. So, writing the formula down, A equals L times W, so this will be 13.8 multiplied by 7.1. Again, let's use long multiplication to find this answer. On our right, 13.8 multiplied by 7.1 means that we're first going to multiply 1 by 13.8 for our first row and 7 by 13.8 for our second row and add the columns up. So 1 times 8 is 8, 1 times 3 is 3, and 1 times 1 is 1. For our second row, we'll write a 0 as a placeholder and multiply 7 times 8 is 56, carry the 5. 7 times 3 is 21, plus 5 is 26, carry the 2. 7 times 1 is 7, plus 2 is 9. Let's add these columns up. 8 plus nothing is 8, 3 plus 6 is 9, and 1 plus 6 is 7, and of course bring down the 9. Finally, since we have two numbers behind the decimal point, we'll move an imaginary decimal point behind our answer twice to the left. So our area becomes the answer 97.98. And since area is measured in square units, the material inside the rectangle, we'll write this as 97.98 square inches. And that's our answer for the area of this rectangle.